Okay, good morning, guys. This is Debashish here, and I'm back on the saddle. Actually, need to practice, so today I'm riding to Lonavala. I'm trying out my new knee braces also. Damn, it's uncomfortable, yaar. Got to get used to this. Okay, Freddy नाइट रोड में छे. अरे वाह, that's the car of some TV crew. Times Now, I believe. Yeah. And off we go. So I believe we're gonna meet few riders on Palm Beach Road, and it is on. Cyclist, I love them. इतना प्यार से साइकिल चला रहा है. Okay, so I have, who is with me? Okay, I have Srini with a multi-strada and Chandrakant after a very long time. Okay, so now I think we are gonna leave. All lined up. Man, these braces are uncomfortable. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo, Baba, chalo. And wow, we're getting filmed. Yay! Wow, professional shooting for some channel. अच्छा है यार. Okay guys, this is Times Now group. I believe it's gonna be aired on 5 to 6 channels. कौन सा इन लोगों को पूछ के बताऊंगा और क्या. Behind the scenes. If they give me the footage of this, then it will be nice. लेकिन देंगे नहीं साले. German bakery. We are going to German bakery. कमत नहीं खाना. German bakery. German bike, German bakery. German bakery में साला फिरंगी नाश्ता मिलेगा. Shit. आले आमचे कामत अच्छा खासा कामत में वड़ा सांबार खाते थे यार. आई प्रीफर कामत. साले अंग्रेज लोग जर्मन बेकरी. So reached German bakery. So we are at German bakery. I met my subscriber. नाम बता बता.
सागर पाटिल.
सागर पाटिल. सागर
I'm
पाटिल.
from Pune.
Pune.
Yeah.
अरे वाह, very good. Nice, nice. Subscriber. नाम बोल भाई.
शशांक.
शशांक from
डोंबिवली.
डोंबिवली.
वरुण from डोंबिवली.
अरे वाह, डोंबिवली से बाइक चला गया. हेलमेट पहन रहा है ना? तेरे को देखा नहीं मैंने हेलमेट. हाँ. Always wear a helmet. Thank you guys. फिरंगी नाश्ता अंग्रेजी स्टाइल में खाओ, देसी स्टाइल में खाओ.
My father never ate with his hand in his entire life.
हाँ तो अंग्रेज ना भाई,
बाबा लोग all अंग्रेज.
हम लोग देसी. ये देख देसी. हाँ हाथ से खाओ. ये अंग्रेज अंग्रेज. Okay, had a lovely breakfast, Firangi style, and now off we go. अरे वाह, ये लोग अभी भी फोटो ही ले रहे. Well, that's Zubin on his tram. I think that's a rocket. रॉकेट ही है शायद. या मस्त कॉर्नर करता है. गुड. लव इज राइडिंग. ओह ये Okay, with me is Srinivas Balasubramanian, owner of the proud Ducati.
Yeah,
Multi-Strada, plastic ki shala. Anyways, Srini, tell me about this bike now.
It is a fantastic bike. It is a 1200cc twin, but this is an L twin rather than a V twin, and it has more power than my SUV. It can run up to about 275 kilometers an hour, which is much faster than what anyone in India would ever ride. But
75 series.
it is a fantastic motorcycle. 275.
अच्छा तेरा वो जरा ऑन करना. ये क्लस्टर. Wow.
And you can operate the cluster using this. So I can get my fuel consumed, which is about 18.5 kilometers a liter.
अच्छा देती है यार तेरी.
No, and this is proof that we've done an average speed of only 22 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
I've got my trip meter here and what range the fuel is at. There's a fuel meter right here. This is the tacho and the speedometer is electronic. But the special thing is I have 4 different modes of riding, and if you wish to ride in an aggressive fashion, You can choose sport if you wish to ride in the city with loads of traffic. You can choose urban. If you're going off-road, you can choose enduro. But what I use usually is touring, which restricts the power to 160 horsepower, and it is fantastic for roads which are highways just outside the city. Now within this you can also amend every single setting, whereas I mean in the sense of how you are traveling at the moment. So if I'm traveling just by myself, like right now, I can choose driver. If I'm going with some luggage, I can choose driver with baggage. If I'm going with a passenger with a pillion, it's driver with passenger, and driver, passenger plus baggage. Where this is important is this changes every single setting on your motorcycle. For example, you've got ABS right here, which is anti-lock braking. It's got frontal tire ABS as well. There is also a traction control setting which can be customized from level 1 to 5. There is something called wheelie control, which actually controls the angle up to the max until which you can wheelie. So my wheelie settings for all of the modes, which are the 4 modes, is set to a no wheelie setting at the moment.
So he doesn't do wheelie. I like the colorful dashboard you have.
It's beautiful.
This is the only thing I like of the motor. So that's it for the Ducati Multistrada.
Unfortunately, he's not too impressed.
Anyways, तू भी आएगा ना अभी तेरा ये रॉकेट है ना तेरा रॉकेट सी दिस इज थंडरबर्ड स्टॉप चलो अपन थंडरबर्ड खेलेंगे ओके सो लेट्स चेक आउट द
Harley which is made in England.
थंडरबर्ड they are shooting.
I already had a Harley. I will buy it next year. I'll buy it again.
ये हमारा एमेचर शूटिंग चल रहा है पर
इसका फ्राइडे का गोवल है
किसका?
लेने के लिए बोला फ्राइडे
क्या लेने का हाँ ना Okay, Zubin, this is your lovely bike. Tell me about your motorcycle. Model बोल.
Model this
Brab NTM मालूम है.
is the bike is beautiful, very refined engine, and
cc है वो?
the guys who don't, it's 1800 cc, and it's mind blowing. It touches 240. I
Solid,
touched
मतलब?
240, and yes, I was scared, but
Crazy wow.
the moment I go above 150, I see all my 3 kids in front of me.
Yeah.
So I come down back again. I touched 240 once, just once.
This is speed limit.
And I
huh?
promised myself I won't go.
Okay, this is a bit boring. So let me tell you, this Times Now channel wanted to interview us. So they did the interview, but now here drone shot they're doing. They're taking couple of drone shots and I don't know. I'm getting bored. And it is Spain, it is 2 o'clock. I should be home by now. Okay, so the shooting has been done. And we're gonna go to Uncle's Kitchen. Have something to eat. I'm hungry. Ay. Alright. So we are at Uncle's Kitchen. The boys are gonna come. We grab something to eat and then from here we're gonna push off. Okay.
So I'm Meghna Mehta and I work for Times Network.
तुमने क्या करा हमारे साथ?
मैंने उनको सुबह 5 बजे से दोपहर के 2:30 तक बाइकिंग शॉट्स करवाए, अपहिल टास्क करवाए, इंटरव्यूज लिए, and basically I had a fun day out troubling them.
Okay. So this episode is gonna come when?
Yeah, so this is for a show called Luxury Time, which season 1 got over, and now we are preparing for season 2. So by end of Feb or beginning March, this episode will be available on Times Now, ET Now, Magic Bricks Now, Romedy Now, HD, and Movies Now Plus. So keep watching Luxury Time.
And detailed date will be uploaded on my Facebook इंस्टा में मेरे को अभी भी नहीं मालूम है इंस्टाग्राम कैसे ऑपरेट करने का, फेसबुक पे पक्का।
Alright,
जी,
bye guys.
Okay, so finally we have done with our photo shoot and off to home. What, it's 3:17 right now and we just came out of Uncle's kitchen. Okay, so थोड़ा बहुत about the E-Ways knee brace. The braces are good, but only thing is it is gonna hurt your shin. Why? Because the foam part somehow, you know, gets detached from the main frame and it starts hurting. So anyways, it's quite a painful affair. वो जाके अपना R&D करके जुगाड़ लगाना पड़ेगा, जुगाड़. But still, but then it is good. Okay, it's quite comfortable. It's not that uncomfortable which I was expecting, but it's okay. You can definitely bear it. Khali if you minus that issue which I'm facing. Maybe I'm facing. Maybe all of the riders who wear this face. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna sign off from here. Goodbye. Take care. Stay blessed. And bye bye.
One world, one ride.
Google Triumph. You will come to know why I'm
Google
calling
Triumph.
Longitude.
You will
Triumph,
find bras
lingerie.
and panties also, and you'll find bikes also.
So first thing will be bra.
And by the way, GS, BMWs and all are gays bike. Huh? They are supposed to be internationally. If you go to Europe, you find all the gays riding.
You know that I'm
Yeah.
gonna edit it, right? अरे वाह, जय महाराष्ट्र. अरे किती वेळ लागतो? अय शाबास.